today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Cajun mashed potatoes. Now for the potatoes, you're going to need 5 pounds of russet potatoes, 2 sticks of butter, salted butter, 1 8-ounce pack of cream cheese. You're going to need 1 teaspoon of Larry's seasoned salt. You're going to need 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And that's all you're going to need, okay? First thing you're going to do is scrub your potatoes, clean them well, and then you're going to peel them. While you're doing that, leave your butter, leave your cream cheese, let it sit out to come up to room temperature before you mix these in. So let these sit out and do their thing while you're cutting your potatoes. Just going to show you on one potato that I rinsed. Just peel it like so. Like I said, this is 5 pounds of potatoes. I'm not going to show you every one of the potatoes. That'd be the most boring video ever. You want to cut them into pretty much 1-inch pieces like so. The smaller you cut it, the faster they will come to cook. You want them all pretty much the same size, like so, okay? And I'm gonna do that to the rest of them. Got all my potatoes washed and peeled. Now it's time to chop them up. This is a large amount of potatoes. This is perfect for Thanksgiving, holiday meals. You have a party coming up and you want mashed potatoes. You ain't gonna find nothing better than these. There you go. That's 5 pounds of potatoes, cleaned, peeled, and chopped up into chunks of equal size. You're gonna start a pot of water. You're gonna bring it up to a simmer before you add your potatoes to it. I'll show you when we get up to that point. Now we're starting to get a low simmer right there. You're gonna take your potatoes and add them in slowly. Now that your potatoes are at a boil, you're gonna set your timer 20 to 25 minutes. I'm gonna go 20 minutes and then we're gonna check from there and I'll show you what we can end up with. Every so often, give your potatoes a good mixing. So the bottom's just not sitting on the bottom because there's a lot of potatoes. So stir it up a little bit, let it sit until they're fork tender, okay? This is what you're gonna end up, 20 minutes. Firm, but not mushy. I'll show you again. Here's a little bigger piece. Fork goes right in, no resistance, okay? That's what you're gonna look for. So this is about 22 minutes in. After your potatoes are done and strained, you're gonna lower the heat on the pan to low, okay? Put your potatoes back in the pan. You're gonna start mashing it, and you want it low because you want the steam to come out of the potatoes, okay? So begin mashing it slowly. And keep letting the steam come out, okay? First thing you're gonna add, your first stick of butter. That's at room temperature, like I said before. Drop that in. And mash away, my friends. Mash away. Mash, mash, mash. 5 pounds of potatoes. Get at it. Keep moving it around. You don't want nothing sitting on the bottom of the pan for long. You want all that steam to come out. After your first butter is incorporated, drop your second one in. Mash, mash, mash. You're gonna have light, fluffy, and full of flavor mashed potatoes. Creamy, thick. Your family will love it. I make this, my kids always go crazy for it. After that butter is in, you're gonna open your cream cheese. There you go. Mix it up too. You want all the cream cheese, all the butter to thoroughly incorporate with your potatoes. And by the time you're done with this, you had your little arm workout and you'll be good to go. Okay, now that's mixed in. You're gonna turn your heat off. You're gonna add your 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. You're gonna add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, your Larry's seasoned salt, teaspoon. Mix it up.
All the heavy whipping cream we're going to incorporate and this will thicken up. Just keep going.
Add a tablespoon of the Cajun seasoning that I showed you how to make. Add your next tablespoon. It's 2 tablespoons of the Cajun seasoning and thoroughly mix it. This is where all your Cajun spices come into play. As you can see, it's getting thicker now, not as runny. Get that slight color to it. Clean that off. Get your spoon and fold it in. Want everything to mix up and incorporate itself like so. And this is how you make Cajun mashed potatoes. We give it a grandma amount, like so. Nice, fluffy, full of flavor and goodness. Hope that video helped you. Questions, comments, leave them below. I get back to everyone. Take care, fellas.